Handling large volumes of medical records can be overwhelming, especially when time is critical. Now, there's a better way. Our Hyperlinked Timeline Narrative Summary combines a detailed narrative, timeline, and consolidated medical records all in one place. We review each page of the medical records, capturing essential details such as dates, medical providers, facility names, and event descriptions. This powerful combination includes a detailed narrative summary with events arranged chronologically and a hyperlinked timeline, allowing you to easily cross-reference details. The timeline is hyperlinked. Simply click the Bates number, and you're instantly taken to the exact page in the medical record. Effortlessly navigate between the narrative summary and the timeline, cross-referencing data with just a click. The medical records are fully consolidated and tagged with red boxes indicating critical details such as dates, facility names, and provider information. Finger pointers highlight exactly where the data was extracted, ensuring precision and accuracy in your case preparation. This comprehensive tool helps simplify your case review, saving you valuable time and making it easy to identify key events. Start your free trial today and discover how our Hyperlinked Timeline Narrative Summary can transform the way you manage medical records.